Hello dear students, how are you? This is Learn English with Fitamu. I'm from Bonga University. Today I'm going to teach you about prepositions of place, specifically in, at, and on. ዛሬ እንግዲህ ከኔ ጋር ከቆያችሁ ስለ in, at እና on prepositions of place በደንብ አድርጌ አስተምራችኋለሁ። So, I invite you to stay until the end of the lesson. Now we will see the usage of these prepositions with their examples. Let's begin with in. In is used when something is in a place or enclosed within it. For example, in the car, in a taxi. Written materials. For example, in the book, in the newspaper, in the magazine, and also in class, in Ethiopia. At is used when something is located at a specific place or point. For example, at the library, at home, at school. At is also used for events. For example, at cinema, at game zone, at a concert. ለኢቨንቶች ስፔሻል የሆኑ ኢቨንቶችን ለመግለጽ ስንፈልግ at የሚለውን ኤግዛክት ቦታውን ስፔሲፊክ የሆነ ኢቨንት ለመናገር ስንፈልግ ማለት ነው። At is also used to indicate a place where you are to do something typical. For example, at the cinema, at work, at school. Third one, on. On is used to indicate that something is on the surface, not enclosed. For example, I left the books on the table. The children slept on the bed. On is also used for a certain side. For example, on your right, on your left. ዳይሬክሽኖችን ለመግለጽ ስቆም on የሚለውን እንጠቀማለን. Again, on is used for a floor in a building. For example, my apartment is on the 4th floor. ደረጃዎችን ለመግለጽ on የሚለውን the first, on the second, on the third, on the fourth እያልን ደረጃዎችን የቢልዲንግ ደረጃዎችን ለመግለጽ on የሚለውን እንጠቀማለን. And on is also used for public transport. For example, I forgot my phone on the bus. ሰፋ ያሉ ለመንቀሳቀስ አመቺ የሆኑ ባሶችን ትራንስፖርቴሽኖችን ለነሱ on እንጠቀማለን on the bus. Additionally, on is used for electronic media. For example, television and radio. For example, you can hear my brother on the radio. You can watch my sister on the television. ውድ ተማሪዎች እንግዲህ አሁን 10 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅቼላችኋለሁ። in, at እና on የሚለውን ትክክለኛውን መልስ በመሙላት ጥያቄዎቹን ትመልሳላችሁ። Get ready. Number 1, the wine is dash the bottle. In the bottle. 2, pass me the dictionary. It is dash the table. On the table. 3, Dawit is dash work. At work. 4, Addis Ababa is dash Ethiopia. In Ethiopia. 5, you have something dash your face. On your face. 6, she was listening to classical music dash the radio. On the radio. 7, he has a house dash the river. On the river. 8, Aman will be dash the plane now. On the plane. 9, John is dash a taxi. In a taxi. And the last question for today, number 10, I will meet you dash the airport. At the airport. ውድ ተማሪዎች እንግዲህ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ደጋግማችሁ ስሩ። በጣም ይጠቅማችኋል። እንግዲህ ዛሬ ስለ prepositions of place in at እና on አስተምሬያችኋለሁ። ቀጣይ ጊዜ ደግሞ በሌላ ኮንቴንት እመጣለሁ። አብራችሁን ስላላችሁኝ thank you. See you next time.